Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Apps. Today we're going to learn um, how to insert informations to database, and we're going to make an application which will looks like to this. So this is our main screen. This is the title of our application, the window title. So we're going to insert some um, GUI bars, the Q line edits. This is going to be Q line edit 1, the username bar, the password bar, the email bar, the website bar, and the note bar. And we're going to add an add button. So when they click this, it's going to get the informations from username bar, password bar, email bar, website bar, and note bar, and insert it to database that we created on our website, on our computer. Our window is going to be 1200 to 400. Um, let's just start. Okay, let's take it to other side, the other monitor. Okay, so to start, we're going to import some things such as import sys, import pyqt5.qt widgets, import all, and from pyqt5 dot qtgui, sorry, it's like this, import q icon. um let's import the SQLite 3, and from pyqt5 import qt, and from pyqt5 import qt core. Okay, let's just save this file. I'm going to save it to my desktop. I'm gonna create a new folder, and this is going to be called let's say, I don't know, database app. I'm gonna say database app, and I will say my app. So save it, my app.py. Yes. So I'm gonna create class. It's called data entry. I will say Q widgets. Okay, here I'm gonna say def init. I'm gonna call self, and here I'm gonna say super init. Okay, so let's go and write our code. So we're going to create a layout, the QB box layout. So I'm gonna say, okay, self dot my layout equals to QE box layouts. Then here we created the QE box layout. Self dot I'm going to say username, name, is equals to q line edit self dot password equals to q line edit self dot email equals to q line edit self dot website equals to q line edit. And what else? The note. Okay, self dot notes equals to q line edit. Okay. Now we're going to create buttons. I will create one button only, so you can create more than one. So self dot add button equals to q push button, and you're going to say uh, save to the database. Okay. So here, you can say something. Never mind. I don't want to create a copyright label. So self dot my layouts dot set spacing. I'll say 5. Self dot my layouts dot add widget. I'm going to copy this, and this is going to be for the label bar label bar label bar label bar label bar. So I'm going to say q label. I'm going to copy this and skip one, skip one, skip one, and skip one. Okay. And here I'm going to say self dot username, self dot password, self dot email, self dot website, self dot note. Oh, password, email. Okay. Should we say something like add note or not? I'm just, yeah, add note instead of just writing notes. Here, it is going to go with this order, so it's going to place this username label, then it's going to place the username qline edit. Then it's going to place a password label, then this, then this, then this. So you just need to place them carefully. So self.layouts is equals to qhbox layouts. Then self.layouts dot add layouts. We're going to add layout self dot my layouts. We're going to add this, and self dot set layouts self dot layouts. We're going to set the layout as the main layout. And here we're just going to create a function, add to db. I'm going to call database as db, and I will say self, and here I don't really need to call the self though, but let's say try and accept. Here I will say a is equals to self dot username, and sorry, I forget dot text. So this way I will get um, the text in this way I will get the text into the username. So b is equals to self dot password dot text. Then c is equals to self dot email dot text. D is equals to self dot websites dot text. E is equals to self dot notes dot text. I think that's it. Yes. So now we're going to create the database on our computer. So since my app.py inside of the database app, it's going to create the database into this, but it's not in it. So let's save this, close it. Let's put it inside of it, and I'll say this. Yep. Okay. So here I will say con is equals to let's just wait, okay, yeah, con is equals to SQLite 3 dot connect. So we're going to name our database. So I will name mine as database dot db. You have to put .db at the end of it. Then we're gonna say cursor equals to con dot cursor. Yes, then cursor dot execute. Okay, create. Oh, sorry. Create table. Oh my arm. If not exists, I will create a table, and it's going to be called infos. Yeah, and I will give parameters. So username is going to be text. Password, it's also going to be text. Email, text. Website, also going to be text. Notes, also going to be text. And here we're going to say con dot commit. Then it's going to create a database. So after that, I'm just going to print a plus b plus c plus d plus e. I just want to see if it is working. Then cursor dot execute. So inside of it, wait a minute, I think I spelled it. Let's check something. I really don't have to print this, but I think everything is fine. Yeah, cursor dot execute. We're gonna say insert into infos. The values going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 question marks here because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we're gonna put comma, and we'll place them with the A, B, C, D, and E. So A is going to be the username, B is going to be the password, C is going to be the email, D is going to be the website, and E is going to be the notes. If you remember, A is equals to username text, B is equals to password, C is equals to email, and D is equals to website, and E is equals to notes. So you have to place them by the order. And here we're going to say con dot commit. So here I'm going to say insert inputs into the infos table. So print inputs is going to print inputs. You don't really have to. You don't really have to put something. Prints. Actually, I don't want to print anything, so pass. I think that's it. Yep. So here, after this, we're going to say class main window. It's going to be Q main window. Def init self and W super off. Okay, and init I'll say self dot set window title. I will set the window title as database. Self dot set window icon Q icon. Actually, I'm not gonna put anything right here for now. Self dot set fixed size. This is going to be 1200 to 400, and self dot set central widget. It's going to be W. So you're gonna see what is the W about. Name equals to main. App is equals to Q application. And W is equals to the data entry. It is our second class. Then demo is equals to main window. It's our main window. We're gonna place W in it. And demo.show. We're gonna show the main window. And sys.exit app.exec the underscore, close the parentheses. Yeah, this is it. Let's see if it is working or not. So let's see if there is any error. No, I don't think so. Let's save this and run this. Yeah, we got an error message. What is wrong with this? Oh, it's yeah, this is correct. Qt widgets import. I mean, there's nothing wrong with this. Oh, I said import. Okay, from. Let's try this again. Okay, self.qline edit. Okay, we made a mistake here. So what? Email. Okay, we put extra D here. Let's try it again. Random one. Yep. Yes. Oh, we forgot to put our button here. So let's try it again. So here we're gonna say self dot my layout dot add widget self dot add button and self dot add button dot clicked dot connect to self dot add to db. Yes, let's try it. Okay, as you see, we have the button and we have the QLine edits here. So let's open the database app folder. Yep. So we're going to say the username is auto-yigit. My password is, let's say, 1234567. Email address, I'm going to say simple apps info at, I don't know, info.com. There's no email address like this. So website simple apps inc. Oh, instead of this I can say simple apps inc.com. I am admin of the apps inc.com. So save to the database. As you see, it created the database into our folder to open this database. So it's going to ask you how to open it. PC. Instead of doing this, I have the DB browser here, SQLite. I'm going to open it and open the database, and let's go to this desktop, database app, the database. Yes, as you see, we have infos table here, and if you click on the browse data, we have username, password, email, website, and notes, and there is auto-yigit as our username. The password is 1234567, and the email address is simpleappsinfo at info.com. The website simpleappsinc.com. The notes part is I'm admin of the simpleapps inc. So this is the database. When you close the application and reopen the database, it will be there. So it's going nowhere. Okay, so let's go desktop, database app, database, browse data, and as you see, the reason why we said, excuse me, my app, okay. The reason we said create a table if not exists, you should say create table infos instead. You should say create table if not exists instead of create table, because it's going to create many tables. Like, you won't be able to um, add another information into this database, and it will give errors. So let's try to put another information into database. So let's create it. Oh, as you see, it's just going to print the informations to the screen, so we don't really have to write this down. So okay, let's just close it and save this and run the module again. Okay, we have the username, password, email address, website URL, and the not. Okay, so I'm going to say um, oh, okay, monkey. Password is monkey banana. Email address banana lower. That's strawberry.com. Website is simplelabsinc.com. A note: hello, I am using simplelabsinc.com. Save to the database. It did save. Is our application still open? I mean the database. No, it's not. We closed it. Okay. So database, desktop, database app, the database. Yep, browse. Yep. Okay, monkey banana, banana lower, strawberry.com, simplelabsinc.com. Hello, I'm using simplelabsinc.com. And let's make another example. English, James Bond, and Tony Stark at jarvis.com. Simpleapps.com and hello Jarvis. It did add into the app database, but you just need to refresh it like this. And let's put one last Leon personal assistant leon.info.com at info.com. Simplabs, hello, I am Leon. How may I help you today? Save. Hit the save. Let's close the app. Okay. As you see, we have Leon personal assistant, Leon at info.com, simpleappsinc.com, and hello, I'm Leon. How may I help you today? There you go. This was pretty much it. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a great day. Be safe.